All right, Lady Ada, what is this?
Okay, well, in honor of Star Trek Day, we are playing all sorts of different Star Trek intro videos on this 480 by 480 TFT. And those are the specs for playing a 30 frame per second Cinepack, which, if people remember, was a file format that was used in games and I think DVD intro screens and a couple other use cases.
Yeah, this looks good.
So it's Cinepack encoded into an AVI with MP3 as the audio format. And this is a way, I don't want to say better, but it's a much easier to decode, a much more compact encoding. And so we can get full 30 frames a second. You do see there's a little bit of tearing, especially when like the ship goes by, because again, it's not double buffered. But since it's many more frames per second, the tearing isn't as obvious on in general. You do see a little bit of like pixelization. You know, remember like the last season of Game of Thrones, it was like, this was kind of what it looked like. Everything was very pixelated with chunks because of the, it's not good with like soft
video too, but you can tell this is pretty good. I mean, like, this is the best one so far.
And it hasn't dropped any frames. It's like actually does a full 30 frames a second of, which is pretty good for like an ESP32 S3. So yeah, we have maybe a couple more videos, but this was like my final demo of the ESP32 S3 playing, you know, full motion video with I2S output off of a micro SD card. So here's the speaker, I2S amplifier, and the micro SD over here. Connected up in 1-bit SDIO mode. Save one pin because there's so few pins available. Anyway, working great. Okay.